Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyasha Das from CrackZat. Imagine you're the CEO of a company and you already have a product that is working beautifully. Millions of customers, amazing distribution, payments are smooth. Now, tell me, would you spend thousands of crores building an entirely new product or simply make your existing product even stronger? Because that's exactly what happened in today's biggest headline. And surprisingly, this is one of the most famous MBA's framework in the world. So let's decode it. So today's headline is the government has approved a 5-year extension of the PM Kisan plan. Instead of launching a brand new farmer welfare scheme, they decided to continue investing in an already successful one. Now, many people look at this and think, बस extension ही तो है. But the strategy people see something completely different because every headline hides a business lesson. So here's something interesting. Most organizations have this temptation of let's launch something new, right? New app, new product, new business, new scheme. But honestly, new things look exciting, old things not so glamorous. But MBA teaches something very different, and there's a framework called as Ansoff matrix. It's basically a map for the growth. Imagine four boxes and one asks you, should you sell your existing product to the existing customers only, or should you create something completely new? Now, here's the twist. Launching a completely new product for a completely new market is actually the riskiest affair. Maximum uncertainty, maximum investment, and maximum chances of failure as well. But strengthening an existing product for the same audience is called as market penetration. And statistically, it's usually the safest growth strategy. Very less friction, lower cost, higher ROI. And now look at the PM Kisan again. The infrastructure, guys, it's already built up. Okay, we all know that ये इतने साल से चल रहा है, so it's already built up, beneficiaries are already registered, payment rails are already working, and the verification process already exists. So instead of saying let's build another massive welfare platform, the government essentially said, why not reinvent the wheel? Let's strengthen the one that's already running. And this is a classic example of market penetration. That's exactly what the companies like Amazon, Starbucks, Netflix they do. Sometimes the smartest innovation isn't launching something new. It's making your strongest engine even more stronger. Think about WhatsApp, guys. Instead of launching 10 different apps, they kept improving the one. Imagine about Amazon. First, they started with books, then they created more categories, then they added faster deliveries, then Prime. Did you notice something? They did not wake up every random Monday saying that, bro, let's create another company. They scaled what already worked. And that's called as smart strategy, not any shiny object syndrome. Not very importantly, focused on one product and not just going around कि चलो ये भी try करते हैं वो भी try करते हैं. And that's exactly why I love current affairs, you know. That's the entire reason behind me starting this series also, because these are not just news, these are live classrooms. Okay, tomorrow's consulting interview, tomorrow's UPSC discussion, tomorrow's GDPI question might begin with today's newspaper. So from now on, don't just ask what happened today. Start asking what business lesson is hiding behind today's headline. And that's the difference, my dear friend, between reading the news and understanding the news. And Priyasha तो आपके साथ है ही, आपको कुछ भी समझ में ना आए, आपको किसी स्ट्रैटेजी को अच्छे से समझना हो तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन का यूज कीजिए, मैं आपको जरूर हेल्प करूंगी. And if you enjoyed this format, then please subscribe, because every single day until CAT, ZAT and GDPI session, we will decode one current affair through the lens of business, strategy, and psychology. See you tomorrow, guys. Till then, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because आपका प्यार इन्हीं तीन formats में मुझे दिखता है. So make sure you do one. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, guys. Take care and happy learning.